the 2014 Mazda 5 Grand Touring. With an automatic transmission, this vehicle, with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Mazda features fog lights, alloy wheels, and tilt wheel. Safety features include dual front airbags, traction control, and stability control. Comfort and convenience features include keyless entry and heated seats. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.